Hey.
What are you doing?
Be gentle. Don't scare him.
You think of me.
Just one. Just one. Just one.
He's so nice. He's a
Take
better
your
fellow.
Like,
I don't have any more little guys.
Hey, don't fib.
I like
after this,
your
so look, he's staring at me like, I know you have to poop.
It's because I'm wearing a black shirt. He thinks we're related. Well, that's why you have to do it in the palm of your hand, not in your fingers. Catch it.
Wow. Your lips are so weird.
I got them in the can and to go eat it.
What? How can my 3-year-old do it? But I just get.
I wish you could ride that, Mama.
That's the last
palm
one.
Of your hand. Palm of your hand. Okay.
It's down there. Stop it.